Greeny and Blacky. Greeny the grasshopper was hopping around lazily. Blacky the ant was busy searching and storing food for winter. Greeny asked Blacky, "Come, let us play." Blacky said, "No, I am storing food for winter." Greeny did not listen to Blacky and went away. After a few days, it was winter and it started to snow heavily. Blacky was enjoying the food she had stored. Greeny was hungry but had no food to eat. She could not find food outside too. She went to Blacky and asked her for some food. Blacky gave food and asked Greeny to work with her from the next time. Greeny agreed, and they remained friends forever.